Hey everyone. Sorry about that. Okay, wow. So it's been like 2 years since I posted a video. Thank you for everyone who subscribed to me during this past 2 years, even though I haven't posted anything. You guys are making me feel obligated to post a video, so here's a boring update video of my Prius. So it's been 2 years since I fixed the car, since I fixed the hybrid battery pack, and it's been running great. I haven't had any issues with it so far, and I haven't even needed to touch the batteries ever since I fixed it. So let me show you how many miles I'm at. So I have 140,000 miles now. I was at 127,000 when the batteries failed on me. So it's been 13,000 miles and no issues so far. And what else? Yeah, so let me just take it for a ride, I guess. Let me just show you again in case you didn't get a good look. There it is, 140,000. So, let me back up out of here and just bring it for a short ride so you can see how well it's still running. So right now the engines haven't even kicked in yet. I'm running on the batteries. So this fix was totally worth it. I mean, I got 2 years out of it, 13,000 miles, still no issues. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but to me it's already worth it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and well, I want to ask you guys to subscribe, but it's been forever since I posted videos. I really do want to post more, and I hope to. I just really need to find the time for it because I have a full-time job. But thank you again, guys, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye.